Hey, how's it going? My name is Dave Lisowski. I'm the owner of Foxal Productions, and I just wanted to give you a really quick explanation of our video business card process so that you can make an educated decision about working with us to create a really powerful video asset to help grow your business. I just want to preface and say that I understand you may have some reservations about talking in front of a camera, but our process keeps things as conversational as possible, very human, and it's almost as if the cameras aren't there. We've had lots of people come in for interviews, nervous like you might be, and they walk out saying it was the best experience that they've ever had in this type of setting. So this will make more sense as we go through the steps. Step 1, when you decide that you want to work with us, the contract is signed, everything is locked in, we send you 2 links. They are to schedule your deep dive and your video business card shoot date. The deep dive is a 60 to 90 minute conversation that takes place the week of your video business card shoot. It's just you and me. We sit down and I ask you questions to just figure out kind of the essence of your business, the who, the why, the what, and the how. We also talk a little bit about some of the processes and systems that your business has in place to figure out where we're going to be able to use this best and the type of call to action that we're going to have at the end. Next up is the video business card shoot. We start the day off with an interview, which usually takes about 20 minutes. Again, it's you and me. There's cameras to the side, but it's very conversational. You're looking at me the entire time, and I'm just asking you questions based on what I've gathered from our deep dive. The purpose here is that I'm not giving you a sheet of questions to go over beforehand. It is just meant to be very conversational so that things flow very easily and you're not thinking about how you're presenting yourself on camera. It's meant to be a very authentic capturing of you talking about your story and your business. After your interview, me and my team spend the rest of our time capturing BRoll, or the extra footage of you doing what you do best, so that we can cut that over top of your interview to show, not just tell, what it is that you do for the people that are watching. This part usually takes about 2 to 4 hours depending on what it is that you do. After we've got your interview and all the extra footage we need, we take that back, and within the week of your shoot, we distill it down into a 2 to 2.5 minute video that we feel best captures and displays the essence of you and your business. At this point, you receive another link to schedule your video business card reveal. This is where we come to your location or we hop on a video call, and together we watch the first draft of your video business card. You tell us what it is that you really loved, and if there's anything that you want to see tweaked, you let us know that too, so that we can make sure we rapidly get on that. We can get this back to you to start using right away. Once everyone is absolutely in love with the edit, we move into delivery and implementation, and this is where you're going to start seeing the results. The deliverables that come with your video business card include your video business card, caption files, 2 custom thumbnails, a TDT document, or titles, description, and tags, a 4-phase implementation strategy, a video overview of all of this and how to make sure that you're using it right, and 4 bi-weekly follow-up calls. These follow-up calls are for us to make sure that you're using everything right after we finish the project and that you're starting to see the results. And if you're not, so that we can figure it out and get you back on track. We include all these deliverables because we want to keep things as turnkey as possible for you. We're not the agency that's just going to make a pretty looking video for you, hand it over and say, good luck. We want to follow through. We want to be part of your team and make sure that if we've figured all this out about you, that you're using this to the fullest potential. So if you feel this is something that's going to help grow your business, I invite you to fill out our discovery form, which is going to give us a better understanding of your business, where you're at, and where you're hoping to go, to make sure that we feel it's a right fit and that we'll be able to help you achieve those goals using video. Thanks for listening, and I hope to hear from you soon.